Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your Bitcoin from one exchange to another. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Bitcoin from Gemini to Bitrue. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to keep your assets safe. Whether you're switching platforms for better fees or more features, I'll walk you through it step by step. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Gemini and Bitrue, and that you have some Bitcoin in your Gemini wallet. Start by logging into your Gemini account. Once you're in, navigate to the Accounts or Wallet section and select Bitcoin. Look for the Withdraw or Send option. This is where the magic happens. Next, you'll need to enter the withdrawal details. Choose Bitcoin as the asset, then specify the amount you want to transfer. Now, here's a crucial step. Head over to your Bitrue account and go to the Deposit section. Select Bitcoin and copy the wallet address provided. Make sure it's for the Bitcoin network. Always match the network types to avoid any issues. Back in Gemini, paste the Bitrue wallet address into the withdrawal form. Double-check it for accuracy because one wrong character could send your Bitcoin into the void. You'll also see a field for network fees. These can vary, so keep an eye on them to understand the cost. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction, probably with 2FA for extra security. After you initiate the transfer, it might take anywhere from 10 minutes to a few hours for the Bitcoin to appear in your Bitrue account, depending on network congestion. While you wait, monitor the transaction on a blockchain explorer like blockchain.com by entering the transaction ID from Gemini. A few quick tips. Always use the exact wallet address and network. Mistakes here are common pitfalls. Also, be aware of any minimum withdrawal amounts on Gemini and ensure your Bitrue account is verified if required. In 2025, crypto regulations might have evolved, so stay updated on any platform-specific rules. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Bitcoin from Gemini to Bitrue. If you follow these steps, you'll be all set. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you next time.